that I've been able to, I would say, get to the point where I am and like do the things I'm super grateful I'm able to do is
Hmm.
because I have had this mindset of like, don't be afraid to try something and like
Right.
fall on your face, look ignorant, like say or do some stupid stuff as long as you learn from it. Where like with all this stuff, like I came from a mindset of like, okay, I want to experiment with this. I think this is a good idea, and
Hmm.
enough so that I should at least try it out. And now after you like have done something for a bit, you're like, okay, what's working, what's not working. It's like you're not going to know when you first start doing something
Hmm.
all the roadblocks and hurdles that you run into. So there is like a bit of a leap of faith to it. But
Hmm.
like, and once you get going, though, that's how you kind of continue to like refine your ideas and improve